Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here so you can get it from the box, but if you can't find it you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So anyway, let's grab our phone and pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, and here you'll find a tiny little pinhole for the little SIM eject tool. So find it, then push the pin in, and as you can see the tray pops out a little bit and you can just take it out fully. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards, which if you're planning to use two SIM cards you would place one on the SD tray, as you can see sideways, but because I'm using one of each I'm just going to move it over here and then pop in my SD card in here. And it actually looks like the cards are being held in place, so you don't have to worry about them actually popping out, so that's nice. Let's get it back into the phone. So once you pop it in back in your phone, it will start working automatically. As you can see, it's already telling me to put my SIM card pin, so the SIM card is already working. And SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.